I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. Predicting the future on a daily basis can sometimes be a challenge, and predicting snow in Georgia is always a challenge. And with this recent snow event, we missed the mark, and our forecast was not absolutely accurate. And for that, I apologize. I hope that you will accept this apology and an explanation as to what happened. Take a look at this snow forecast checklist, and these are all of the ingredients that we watch whenever snow is forecast in our area. First, we were watching those upper level temperatures. They were cold enough to support snow. We knew that would happen because we were expecting snow to be falling. The air temperatures, we were expecting them to be above freezing. They were above freezing right at the surface. And then also those ground temperatures were hovering above freezing as well as that snow was coming down. So we did get these right. Where we missed the mark was on the moisture content. There was a lot more moisture coming in with this system than we had anticipated. And if you'll remember, we were explaining that the rate of the snow falling would determine the accumulations based on the rate of the snow melting because these temperatures were above freezing. We were thinking that those snow totals would be lower than some of these models that were going really high. Now for Atlanta, some of these model predictions, they were right on the mark because we picked up around an inch or less officially in Atlanta. It's in those outlying areas that picked up more. This graphic pains me. I told you when we were forecasting this that it was my job as a meteorologist to look at all those models and then come up with my own forecast. This was the latest forecast the day before the storm hit. Now this part we got correct. The line of where the snow and rain would be, that was right along the I-85 corridor. That part was correct. This part was not correct. We had a lot more snow than what we were predicting to the north and west of the city and up in northeast Georgia too, where we had snow totals in some spots 8 to 10 inches. So that moisture content is the key. When we're forecasting snow versus rain, let's say we forecast 0.2 of an inch of rain in Atlanta and we get 0.8 of an inch of rain. A lot of people wouldn't really even notice that. But with snow, 0.2 of an inch of rain is roughly around 2 inches of snow. 0.8 of an inch of rain is roughly around 8 inches of snow. And that is exactly what we were dealing with here. We got more moisture than we were expecting. But because this was a snow event, we got a lot more snow than we were expecting out there as well. So I hope that you will accept this explanation and this apology and know that the 11 Alive Storm Trackers are using this as an learning experience, and hopefully our forecast for snow events in the future will be more on the mark.